everyone, I'm Dr. Jennifer Lattes, the Mulling Mortician, and today we're going to speak briefly on embalming machines. There are a lot of choices out there, and the embalming machine plays a crucial role in your firm, ensuring that your decedents look their best, so it's a pretty important piece of equipment. We're going to talk briefly about the three that I have here at my place of work. Now please keep in mind that the facts and opinions that are expressed to you are those held solely by me. They are not by my employers or by any of these suppliers or manufacturers of these machines. If you are a supplier and you wish to charm me or find me to be charming and wish to gift me with any of your merchandise, you're welcome to do that. But in the meantime, let's get started. So first you have the Porti-Boy machine, which might be familiar to many of you. The Porti-Boy machine is made by the Embalming Supply Company, which started in 1886. This particular unit is the Mark V. Now the main difference between a Mark V and a Mark IV is going to be your tank capacity. The Mark V can accommodate just a little over 3 gallons of liquid, whereas the Mark IV is about 2.5 gallons. Additionally, the Mark V has a higher range for pressure at 100 psi. You have your 2 dials available to control rate of flow and pressure, and this machine can introduce chemicals using pulsation or continuous. This machine is needed to be cleaned manually, and you have to reach in there, clean your filter, handle that yourself, and it has a traditional lid on top there that you're accustomed to seeing. Okay, and then we'll move on over here to the Dodge machine, which is newer than this one. The Dodge machine, or APC automatic pressure control machine, is a newer machine in that basically it regulates its own pressure, allowing you to control rate of flow. You're able to monitor the amount of liquid in the tank using this display here, and it can hold 3 gallons of fluid. This machine can also introduce liquids through the pulsation or direct methods. And then for cleaning of this machine, you have to bend it over and remove the filter from underneath. It also has the same type of metal lid on top. This particular machine made by Dodge, again, it's newer than the Porti-Boy, but it's not quite the newest one, and we will get to that one next. Frigid Fluid came out with an embalming machine in 2022. This would be the new kid on the block. Now, in comparison to these other two machines, the capabilities and capacities liquid-wise are similar, holds about 3 gallons. It also allows you to introduce chemicals using either continuous or pulsation method. But some of the key differentiators with this machine versus these others is that it gives you a digital readout that shows you your exact pressure and rate of flow. If it detects a blockage, it will stop and tell you. It also tells you the temperature of the liquid inside, ensuring that your fluids are not too hot or too cold, that they are just where you'd like them to be. This machine mixes from the top, and it mixes while you're injecting, so it ensures that there's proper distribution of all the liquids inside, and it has a self-cleaning feature. If you do need to clean it, you just simply remove the filter there that's held magnetically at the bottom, clean and replace. This particular lid's a little different in that it has a mesh on top, which reduces splash as you go to introduce fluid into the machine. Another key feature of this particular machine is that you can put phenol in this machine, which makes it different than the others. I like to compare the machines to phones, the Frigid machine being kind of a smartphone, whereas these other two are a little bit more like a flip phone. Will they get the job done? Yes. However, to get the most information out of your task, the Frigid machine is going to serve you well. So I hope you found this to be helpful. Another quick tip is to be sure that you're maintaining your equipment. Make sure you're cleaning your machine in between uses, keeping liquid in the ones that need to keep their gaskets moist, and also making sure to check them to make sure they work prior to having a case and getting ready to put it into use. I hope you found this helpful. Continue to follow me for more tips and information, and I will see you out in the field.